Hello viewers, this is Prasanna. In this video, I am going to explain you multiplication of fraction. In this we are going to discuss multiplication of a whole number with a fraction and multiplication of two fractions, right? Now in that first one, before going to that, what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition that you people know. So 5 into 4 means you add 4 5 times, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 5 4s are 20. Here 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 20. Right? Now multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Now first we are going to take multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. I will take an example. 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 is added 2 times. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, we can add numerators. So 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. Yes? And if I take one more example, 3 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 is added 3 times. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Denominators are same and numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is how much? 3 by 2. Next I will take 2 into 5 by 3. Okay, means 5 by 3 is added 2 times. So 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. How much will get? 10 by 3. 5 plus 5, 10 by 3. Here what did you observe? Here when you multiply 2 into 1 by 4, you should multiply the whole number with the numerator by keeping the denominator as it is. That is, here 2 into 1 by 4. How much? 2 by 4. That is the answer you got here, right? Now if you observe this one, 3 into 1 by 2 means what? 3 into 1 by 2 means multiply the whole number with the numerator in the fraction by keeping the denominator as it is. That is 3 by 2. Coming to here 2 into 5 by 3 means 2 into 5 by 3. That is 10 by 2 5s are 10, 10 by 3. So multiplication of a fraction by a whole number will gives you multiply the whole number with the numerator in the fraction by keeping the denominator as it is. Next, multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. Here I take example 2 by 3 into 2 by 5. How? Here you have to multiply both the numerators and down both the denominators. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. 4 by 15 is the answer. Because here we can observe that product means what? Multiplication. Product of two fractions is nothing but product of numerators by product of denominators. Product of numerators by product of denominators. Right? One more example I will take. 1 by 3 into 4 by 7. Here how we should write? 1 into 4 product of numerators and in the denominators product of denominators. 1 4s are 4 and 3 7s are 21. Next I am going to discuss of. What is mean by of here? Of can be used to represent multiplication. Okay, for example, 1 by 3 of 6 means 1 by 3 of is nothing but multiplication 6 into 6. That is 1 into 6 by 3. You can do cancellation. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So you will get the answer 2. So of is nothing but multiplication. And one more important point here. Suppose for example, when you multiply 2 into 4. I am considering here whole numbers. 2 is a whole number and 4 is a whole number. What is the answer you will get? 8. Now, if I observe 8 is greater than 2 and 8 is greater than 4, right? So, product what you have obtained here will be greater than the two numbers. Now, we are going to observe in terms of proper and improper fractions. Okay. Now, for example, I will take I will take 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Here what is 1 by 2? It is a proper fraction, and 1 by 4 is also proper fraction. Here I am multiplying two proper fractions, product of two proper fractions. What is the answer? You will get 1 into 1 by 2 into 4, that is 1 by 8. If you observe, the product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied, means this answer is less than 1 by 2 and this answer is less than 1 by 4. So the product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied. So whenever you take two proper fractions, when you multiply, the answer what we get is the less than the two proper fractions. And next one is, we will take the product of a proper fraction and an improper fraction. Okay. For example, 1 by 2 is proper fraction and 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. What is the answer you will get here? 1 into 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Here you got 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but you will get 1 by 2, right? Now here you will get, when you multiply proper and an improper fraction, the is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. Means this answer is less than improper fraction and less than or equal to, here you got the same answer, less than or equal to improper fraction but greater than proper fraction. This answer is less than improper fraction and greater than proper fraction. Now here we consider two proper fractions. Here we consider one proper and one improper. Now we will see what will happen when we multiply two improper fractions. Now I am going to take the product of two improper fractions. Here 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. If you observe, 3 by 2 is an improper fraction and 5 by 3 is an improper fraction. How much answer you will get? 3 into 5 by 2 into 3. So 3 5 is 15, 2 3 is 6. So 15 by 6. If you convert this improper into mixed, you will get 6 2 is 12, 3 left over, 3 by 6. Or if you cancel this, you will get 2 and half. Okay, 2 1 by 2. And here in this case, the answer what we got is greater than of these two fractions. That is 2 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So the product, when you multiply two improper fractions, the product will be the greater than of these two fractions. Now coming to 2.2 exercise. Here 2.2 exercise is based on multiplication of fractions. In that first question, multiply the following, write the answer as a mixed fraction. Here in this first question, 3 by 6 into 10. Here the product of a fraction and a whole number. Means we have to multiply a whole number with the numerator of the fraction and by keeping the denominator as it is. Here you can multiply this 3 into 10 by 30 by 6, or you can do cancellation here itself, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So you got how much? 10 by 2. Again cancellation is possible, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what is the answer? 5 is the answer. Coming to next, here 1 by 3 into 4, that is 1 into 4 by 3. Multiply this numerator of the fraction with the whole number. So 1 4s are 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is what type of fraction it is? Improper fraction. They are asking you to convert into mixed fraction. So 3 how many times? 3 1s are 3. 1 left over, 1 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. 1 by 3 is the answer. Coming to next one. 6 into 2 by 7. Here, any cancellation is possible? 6 and 7? No. 2 and 7? No. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 by 7. Now 12 by 7 is an improper fraction. Now 7 how many times it will go? 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 left over. 5 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. 1 5 by 7 is the answer. Next here. 2 into 5 by 9. Any cancellation possible here? No. So 2 5s are 10. 10 by 9. It is an improper fraction again. So 9 1s are 9. 1 left over. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is the answer. Coming to here, you get 15 into 2 by 5. So any cancellation possible here? Yes, 5 and 15 will go. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. So what left over? 3 into 2 left over, that is 6 is the answer. Coming to second question, shade 1 by 2 of the circles in this box. They are asking you to shade half of these circles. Here 1 by 2, half is what? Into. How many circles are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are there. Now when you do cancellation, 6 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are. So how many circles you have to shade here? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Coming to here, 2 by 3 of the triangles. Here, 2 by 3, half is nothing but into. How many triangles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are there. Now when you do cancellation, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. What left over? 2 into 3, that is 6. So you have to shade how many triangles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles you have to shade. 3 by 5 of the rectangles. Here 3 by 5, half is nothing but into. How many rectangles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 rectangles are there. Okay. Now do cancellation, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. So 3 into 3, how many? 9. So you have to shade 9 rectangles here. This is the answer. Coming to here, 3 by 4, half is nothing but into. How many circles are there here? If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 4s are 20 are there. So 4 1s are, 4 5s are. So 3 into 5, how much you get? 15. So you have to shade 15 circles. So this is the answer. Coming to third sum, find 1 by 3 of 12. Just now I told half is nothing but multiplication. So 1 by 3, half is into and 12. Here you can write 1 into 12 by 3 or you can do directly cancellation here. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So answer is 4. Coming to here, 2 by 5, half is nothing but into 15. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. So 2 into 3 gives you 6. So by this we completed 2.2 exercise.